What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to display your current gear in your Ram truck. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that your vehicle is on the on position, on or run, and then come over to your display and you're going to want to select 8.
Select 8 screen setup. And then from there, you're going to be looking for the current gear. Select OK. Yours will be turned off. Make sure to hit on and press OK to enable this feature.
Then you can exit out of these menus. All you need to do is hold the back arrow. I like to leave it on the speedometer setting. This won't display right away. You got to put it in drive. So shifting into drive now. And the number 1 will display there for the first gear.
And here's what this looks like when you're driving. Make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know how this worked for you.